a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Got a little bit of an unboxing and shaving with a lot of new items here today, so let's get right into it. The first bit is from a good friend, Sean Staplefeld. A lot of you know him. Probably one of the fastest straight razor shavers out there. Why? Because he can, guys. But I have not pulled this out of the box. I started to open the box and I stopped. I said, I got to show this on camera when I use it. So he has a shop on Etsy called the Haku shop, H-A-K-U. I'll have a link down below in the description. And let me just go ahead and open it up before I talk about it. So this is going to be a soap and splash. And, oh, well, his business card just slid out, so I'll pick that up here in a second. But he's already out of the gate, starting with some amazing packaging. And there we have the product. And let me get all this out. Threw in a pack of Perma-Sharps. And we've got the REBORN soap. And the REBORN aftershave splash. And it looks like he threw in a, I'm guessing this is a fragrance oil or EDP. Very nice. Beautiful. Love the packaging. I didn't want to pull it out. I haven't even put my nose on this yet. Because once I started opening it, I just stopped. And I said, I've got to get that on camera. Let me pick this. So it says Haku Pure by Design. He's got a little note here. Barry, thank you for your support and being a pillar of the community. I don't know about all that, but thank you. We hope you enjoy everything from the soap to the packaging to the aftershave. So far, I do. Thank you, Sean. So let's get my nose on this real fast. Let's take a look at it. And very completely full. Oh, okay, so premium artisan shaving soap made with Wagyu tallow, goat milk, and a rich 4-butter blend for a dense, creamy lather with excellent cushion and glide. The scent is a smooth, herbal, woody fragrance with soft floral notes, subtle freshness, and a warm, earthy finish. Clean, calming, and refined without being overpowering. And let me tell you, that is a wonderful, wonderful... You know, I think I have a fragrance that would go perfect with this. Oh, that smells so good. Wow, I can't stop. Sorry, this is my first time getting my nose on it. Ooh, that's good. All right, we're going to set that right here. Also, I have a new straight razor, guys. This is from Roman Komlesh. And you probably know him as Rado Star on Instagram. I love the wood boxes. And so I'm going to just open this up for you, too. I have not shaved with this yet. But this one really caught my eye because it's got a unique tail. As you can see, there's a bit of a ring there on the tail. Well, not a bit, a full-on ring there on the tail. Let me pull this out. And I just thought it was really interesting. Never seen anything like it, so I had to grab one. He had a couple of them, but these blue acrylic scales just really called out to me. Let's take a look. So this is a 8/8 full hollow, his barber model. And it's, of course, mirror polish. And with the blue acrylic scales. And I haven't done a straight razor shave on video in quite a while, so we're going to have a straight razor shave because how can I use Sean's soap without shaving with a straight razor? So let me get all this put away and out of the way. And for the brush, I'm going to be using my Opus Brushworks Opus brush here, this beautiful, what I call S-curve. Absolutely love this brush. I have a Pure Bliss set in it. And let's get the brush wet and loaded. Oh man, I'm sorry guys. Oh, that smells so good. Definitely sandalwood in those woods for sure, 100%. I need to see what else is in there. But I'm going to load this up right out of the tin. And I'm going to go to town on loading this brush. Oh, that fragrance. It's killing me. All right, we are good. Let's get everything rinsed off. So I knew Sean was making a soap. We kind of chatted a little bit about it a long time ago, but I did not know it was out already. He neglected to tell me that. I did not know he had an Etsy store. He neglected to tell me that. I started seeing people shaving with this REBORN, and that was before I knew that was the name of it in his soap. And then I started putting two and two together, and I reached out to him after I purchased this. I think I might have got the last one. His Etsy is sold out right now. I'm sure he's possibly going to restock. I'll find out. But I kind of went after him. I was like, why the hell didn't you tell me, Sean? Jeez, how could you not tell me, my friend, that your soap was available? I was a little upset, but that's all right. Here we are. So let's get the face wet and let's get this lather going and see what we got. I'm very much looking forward to this. Oh man, I can't get over this fragrance. I really can't. Oh, that is so good. Oh, feels great. Where is all that water coming out on this brush? Instantly making a fantastic lather. All right, let's give it some water. I'm digging it, Sean. Definitely. I got so much of a mustache there. Oh, it's really good. All right, we're gonna go with that. Try my hands. All right. And the razor. Now, I wasn't sure if this ring is going to give me like more control, more stability. I feel like it is. I kind of like it. I don't know. Is it training wheels? Maybe. That's okay. I could use them. So here we go. Oh, but yeah, it feels really comfortable. Actually, I do feel like I have a lot more control already. This soap is good, Sean. Wonderful. I am loving it. Very good. Get 2 fingers in there so I can see. Very nice. All right. I'm trying to cut that mustache hair there. Wonderful. Man, I can't get over this shave, this fragrance, this soap, this razor. Wonderful. All right, second pass. Yep, as usual, guys, I don't talk much when I do straight razor shave. I just enjoy it. Pay attention. Losing lather everywhere. Put it back. All right. I am no good at doing that on my chin. Yet. Still having trouble. We'll leave that at that. I can clean my chin up later. That toe is super sharp. So I'm going to hold off on that. Looks like I might have clipped a whisker. You know, a good soap makes all the difference in the world when straight razor shaving, at least for me. And I knew because Sean made this and tested it that it had to be good to straight razor shave with, so I had no hesitation having my first shave with a straight razor with his soap. Alright, we're just going to do 2 passes. I'm going to get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Alright. Man, it's like a woody barbershop fragrance to me. And I am on board. I am absolutely loving this fragrance. Alright. Now, I guess that cap wasn't on tight. Sorry, time for the aftershave. Alright, says aftershave splash, shake well. I did. And it's in a sprayer, which I like. Let me get it primed. Alright. Little in the hand. It sprays it has a wide spray. I like that. Oh. Oh, yeah. Getting a little bit of citrus notes on the top, which I didn't get in the soap. The soap just went straight to the woods, just this sweet, slight floral, woody, very barbershop vibe, but a wood-heavy barbershop, which I love. Oh, that is so good. Oh, is this a fragrance oil? It doesn't say. Let's see here. See if I can get it open. Oh yeah, it's a rollerball. I'm almost positive it's a fragrance oil. Alright, I'm going to try that later. Oh, that's so good. Alright guys, whenever it's restocked, keep an eye out. Go and favorite his shop and check it out if you're interested. Pick it up. REBORN from the Haku shop, which is Sean Staplefield's shop and soap. I am completely impressed. Love the label. Outstanding label. Alright, Sean, you know what this means. You need to do blizzard battles next year. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on a Texan Shave. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what and where you can.